See how thick he is. Oh, I'll take him home.
Oh yeah.
It looks great and it smells delicious. What's up, y'all? So I'm out here at one of my favorite spots. If you're following along, you've seen me fish this spot plenty of times. And I've got my cooler with me. And I'm gonna try to take home a couple crappie today. Have a little crappie dinner. I've got another interesting recipe I'd like to try tonight. So we'll see if I can hook into anything. I do have some of those gulp minnows that I was using the last time that I was down here. And I'll try those again if I can't make this little guy work. So it's a tiny little rattle trap, 1/8 ounce, 1 3/4 inches. So we're gonna tie that on to our ultralight here, and we're gonna see if we can hook up anything. So stay tuned. See if we can make this guy work. All right, we're gonna give that a dangle. See what we can do with it. Now, obviously, just because the fish were here last time doesn't mean they're gonna be here this time, and I threw my line way over here. But it's not a bad place to start. And I snagged it, and so that's it. I highly doubt we ain't getting that thing back, not with this 6-pound line. Well, folks, oh, did it come off? We got a fish on. Oh, damn it. That's a snag again, dang. Well, popped off something and then popped onto something again. It ain't coming off of there. No. Huh. Well, folks, that's how quickly that happens. I'll tie on a jig head. And I've got some other soft plastics with me, and we'll try something else before we go straight to the gulp minnows again. Weston Mega Tees 2-inch. So shove her on the jig here. Oh, I haven't even opened this thing up yet. It's got some glitter in the head, lighter on top. Does have some little eyeballs, a little tail on it. So we'll try throwing that dude around. See if we can get a crappie to hit that. Get some slab sauce on it. So this is crappie.com slab sauce. I'm not associated with these guys at all. Just I saw some of this stuff. I found this by watching Mr. Richard Gene the Fishing Machine. If you like crappie fishing, definitely check his channel out. And stuff has worked great for me. So I've bought a couple bottles of it. You don't need much. Just has a garlicky smell. Helps to get your scent off the lure. There we go. Oh. There we go. Got one. That's a good one. That might be a little small. See how thick he is. Well, it worked. Definitely worked. Right in the lip. Oh, I'll take him home. Got crappie number uno. Only want to catch about 4. Get him covered up. Have yourself a drink. Catch another one. I snagged it though. See what I said? That I could easily do that here. Oh, it's snagged. And there's a fish on. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Oh, no. Go back around. Go back around. Go back around. Get off of there. There we go. There we go. I snagged it on that log. I must have had it around there, and this dude comes out and nails it. Huh. For a second there, I didn't think I was going to get that back. I almost want to let this guy go because he was so sneaky about it and got me wrapped around a tree. I don't know, should I keep that one? Or should I let this guy go? I'll be sporting. I'll let you go. I'll catch your homie. But I'm going to let you go all the way over here so that you don't disturb everybody else that's in there. Way over here. Yeah, you look tasty, but you got lucky today. You okey-doke me pretty good, so fair fight. All right, let's see if we can get his homies to hit. Send her out. See if that changes our luck at all. There we go. Barely even felt the bite. That's a crappie. That's a crappie. Huh. Yeah, like they are hitting super light. But they're hitting. Bam. I'll take him home. So we've got two. I don't want to give him the opportunity to rat out what I'm doing to his friends. There we go. What is that? That's a crappie. He came right up off the bottom. That's a big one. Okay. Let's not lose this one. Boat flip. That's a healthy one, boys. That's got to be the best one we've caught so far today. See, it doesn't matter. You can let a few of them go and search for bigger ones. He'll eat up good. Haha, folks. Yeah, he's a good sized fish. Turn this camera on so I know that we're getting a good angle for him. Yeah, that's a good fish. Definitely the biggest one. Let's see if we can get his brother to bite quick. And a turbo cast. Not at all where I wanted to send it, but we'll just reel her in. Oh, we got a fish. And that's a crappie. There we go. Wasn't even trying that time. Like, I'm just gonna reel it in. All right. Bottom of the lip again. Yeah, for whatever reason, these gulp minnows, he was just like skin hooked. But it's a nice fish. He'll eat. So I've got my 4 now. So I guess I will see you guys back at the house. All right, guys, made it home. I've got the fish in the ice here. I'm gonna get those guys cleaned up, and then we're gonna get to cook and see how this recipe tastes, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so I've got all the fish cleaned up. That's actually in the fridge here. I'll show you that quick. I've just got it in some cool water here. Got some good fillets. And then I've got some tortellini noodles going. So I've got some noodles started, if you guys can see that. And we are going to be making some Crappie Alfredo. So we're going to use some roasted garlic Parmesan Prego sauce, and we're just going to like pan fry the fish with a little bit of oil and some seasoning, and then we'll put that on top of the Alfredo. We're also going to be making some cheesy biscuits like you would find at some of the Red Lobsters and stuff like that. So it should be pretty good. I have seen some recipes like this, but they were mostly with like tilapia and stuff like that. I'm assuming crappie is going to be great on there. We're not going to chop it up and like throw it in. We're just going to put it right on top of the Alfredo. So we're going to let this cook up. This is going to take a little while. The oven's preheating for the biscuits. The fish shouldn't take long. So I'll see you guys when we're getting the fish cooked. All right, so we're using some extra virgin olive oil. It's smooth. So we'll just put a little bit of that in there. It's probably a bit much. And then we'll get this sucker going. I'm just going to take this directly out, although I should probably dry that off, you think?
Probably.
Yeah. So we got some decent fillets off of these fish. I'm just going to take them out here on this paper towel. I just kept the 4, but this is plenty of meat for us. Alright, that oil's heating up. Oven's preheated. We're going to put our cheddar biscuits in. 8 minutes. And then I guess we'll just toss this fish in and see. I think this is plenty hot. Oh, I turned that down a bit. Oh yeah. That is plenty hot. Making a mess. Just gonna get them all in there. It's burning me. It's all wet. It's all wet. Man, it's hitting me in the face. Alright, we're gonna use some Fisherman's Wharf seasoning. It's just from Walmart, right? Yeah. We got this on the camping trip, and the last time we used this is when I did these in a basically kind of the same way in tinfoil, and it was pretty good seasoning. If I remember right, I put it on fairly heavy, but looks pretty good. It is bubbling. I'm making a mess. I don't know. Oh yeah, that ain't gonna take long at all. I'm gonna give these a few minutes on each side. And then I gotta get these noodles out and they get like a cold rinse according to the directions. We got 7 minutes for our biscuits. So I'll see you guys back when the plates are made and we're doing a taste test. This looks really good. Okay, we've got our Alfredo sauce in there. There's about 15 seconds left on the biscuit, so I'm going to get a plate of this fish made. I've got that burner shut off. It's just sizzling a bit. Oh, this looks really good. The fish smells amazing. That is the biscuits. Boom, clear, turn that all the way off. It's gonna be hot. And this fish is so flaky here. See, it just falls apart. I don't even know what you would call this. Is it pan searing? Is it frying? Is it blackening? I'll go ahead and get one more good chunk on there. Okay. That looks great. Let me get these biscuits out of the oven. This side a little bit. Yeah, those look good too. Go ahead and set these over here. Move my drink, my tasty drink out the way. It's pretty warm today, so we'll go ahead and close that. Nice and warm. All right. So there we go. That looks really good, guys. Try and get a good photo in the light here for you. Okay, guys, so we've got our plate made up. It looks great and it smells delicious. So I'm just going to try one of these noodles here. Actually, I'll cut one in half and see if we can see all the pesto inside of it. Not really. You can see a little bit inside of there, maybe. On the camera, let me see what these taste like. They're good. That sauce is really good. Okay. I'm just going to try a piece of this fish here. Oh, I got a noodle. All right. That's really good. You're going to like it. Fish is really flaky. It's got a little bit more crispy than I expected it to get doing it that way. I've never done it like that on the stove. And it's incredibly flaky. It just broke apart. I'm trying to take it out of the pan. Yeah, I could definitely eat this a lot more often. That's really good. The noodles were from our local Trader Joe's, I guess. So if you've got one around, they're pesto noodles. What are they actually?
Pesto tortellini.
Pesto tortellini. And then we've got some nice crappie, and with a little bit of Fisherman's Wharf seasoning, we've got our little cheddar biscuits here. If you've ever been to Red Lobster, you know what these guys are about, and they taste just as good. Oh, let me shove this one down. I don't even want to finish the outro, I just want to eat it. Okay, guys. So here's another kind of weird recipe. Like I said, I had found some recipes with tilapia that were kind of done the same way, so I figured this was going to taste good, and it tastes really good. If you like any kind of seafood pasta or anything like that, I would recommend giving this a try. So yeah, I upload every 3 days, fishing, camping, general outdoor stuff. We do quite a few kitchen cooks, or at least I've started doing quite a few. So if you want to see more of this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you thought the video was cool, give it a like. And like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.